Hi, I'm Laura McMann, the Executive Chef here at Bethlehem Area School District. Welcome back. This month we explore the flavors of Latin American with our Peruvian chicken and black beans. We start the dish off with a nice brown rice seasoned with garlic, turmeric, and a little bit of vegetable stock. The next layer of the dish are our black beans, full of plant-based protein. We move on then to our salsa, which is a combination of fresh jalapeno, fresh lime juice, some chopped tomato, some yellow onion, fresh cilantro, and fresh chopped garlic. Combine all these ingredients to create this fresh relish that'll top the dish. This is our finished product. You can see the rich color from the turmeric, gives it a nice earthy tone. And here we have our roasted chicken legs, which will top our dish. So we'll begin the build. Start with a bowl. See the nice rich yellow color from the turmeric. And our black beans. I want to layer those around the dish. And our fresh salsa. Top with our chicken leg. Garnish with a sprinkle of green onion. And here we have a sour cream mixed with a fresh lime juice, like a lime crema. Little drizzle on top. And there you have our Peruvian chicken and black beans. Enjoy.